Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good Tuesday in the stock market. It is September 21st. We're going to talk about the SPY, GME. Not a whole lot to go over, kind of just in the holding pattern for now. Going to go over some technical analysis, some options we're doing, and yeah, sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. Not a whole lot going on Reddit, mostly computer share stuff. Either that or there is stuff going on, but it's all being suppressed by computer share, which is one of my concerns, but I don't have any evidence of it. It's just a thought I had. Sometimes when something's very obvious and out in front of you, it is to distract from something behind the scenes going on. Yeah. Anyways, reverse repo today though is 1.2 trillion, which is crazy. Burry tweeted China 135, which is right when this happened in the Big Short at 1 hour and 35 minutes. Kind of interesting, kind of at the beginning. That's when he says he needs to call his mom. Yeah, so we're seeing that come about. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. We have a Twitter you can follow us on at Happy Money YT. We also have a Discord. It's in the description. Jump on there too if you'd like. So SPY kind of had a bounce back here, which is totally normal with a big drop like that. So that's all fine and dandy. We were way oversold on the hourly. Big bounce up. It is kind of signaling bullish, at least on this hourly. We've got a bullish MACD crossover. We've kind of got a bull flag going on here. So I actually went long on SPY. I'll show you what I did. On the daily though, it's still bearish. I mean, everything's still bearish, but the fact that it came down so much, probably need to climb back up a little closer to our moving average before we have another leg down. And I think we'll have another leg down. I think we'll keep coming down. I think we're going to keep coming down much lower. I think this is definitely the beginning of the end of the SPY bull run and potentially of a pretty catastrophic crash. GameStop came down a bunch yesterday with the market, 10% at one point, and then rallied back up 4%, I think. And today kind of flat. It started up high. Pre-market it was up like 1.5% and opened up and kind of just sold off most of the day. Volumes dried up a lot on it. 2.17 million so far. We've got about half an hour left. Yesterday's volume was almost 4 million, so it's shut off quite a bit today. Dark pool's probably being used pretty heavily today. But yeah, so I tried to sell some covered calls on it and there's just not quite the velocity, so I closed them and actually took a little loss on it. Nothing too crazy though. But however, my one account, that's on my E-Trade. On my TD account, this is why you sell premium, you just hold it. So this one is just slowly gaining. You're playing the clock. You don't need to trade this stuff. That's the point of selling premium, just to play the clock. So this is a 205 call that I have on here, and I didn't want to hold calls overnight just in case there's news and crazy after hours moves. But I might just on this account. This is just 100 shares, so just one covered call. But on my E-Trade, I've got 800 shares, so it's sketchy for me to hold that many overnight. So we'll see. GameStop almost wanted to go bullish on this hour, but we'll see. If it in the next 30 minutes, I don't think we're going to see it. I think there's just a little bounce before more downward momentum, honestly. On the daily, it's ready to come down pretty heavily. We've got red under the 9 moving average. We've got bearish MACD, but it hasn't really done the move yet, if you know what I mean. It's just hanging out right at the moving average. So yeah, so I'm kind of expecting it still to come down, maybe, I don't know, 165. Yeah, probably somewhere around this 180 moving average. Yeah, I think that's probably where we'll see it. I would hold covered calls knowing that, or thinking that's probably going to happen, but yeah, I just haven't. I might actually buy puts on GME just for this week. That's kind of a cheaper way to get the downward side. But yeah, we'll see on tomorrow and kind of the rest of this week if there's any sort of margin calls from the SPY dumping so much. and if they're having to close positions. Yeah, waiting on all that stuff. LB is freaking rallying, man. This thing is crazy. I got in back here or somewhere and sold. I was just trading it, but then there was news about it joining, or not joining, but playing a sporting event. They have that. We went over the website in one of my other videos. I guess they not only do like electric scooters and stuff, but they have like a streaming service or something. I don't know, but they're going to be broadcasting some sporting event for Amazon Prime, so it's going crazy. Let's go over our plays real quick. So these are our covered calls, open and closed. Took a little loss on it, and then I actually opened up a pretty heavy put credit spread on SPY, bigger than I normally do, which is kind of stupid. I just kind of felt like gambling a little bit, I suppose. I'm not sure if I'll hold that through till tomorrow or not. It is 434, 436 put credit spread. So let's see. Gotta close up above 436 tomorrow for max gain. I was planning on closing it maybe just up 50% or so, but I don't know. I mean, tomorrow China's coming back to the stock market. They're coming back from holiday, and they've had quite a bit of bad news about their largest land developer, Evergrande, since they've been closed. So that could pull us down. Powell's also speaking tomorrow, which could pull us down or up. Feel like he typically always kicks the can better than anyone, so the market is usually pretty tempered and maybe even rallies after he talks. Again, on the TA, it's, you know, it's bullish on the hourly. On the daily, we're bearish, but I feel like we're a little overextended from it, so this play might be fine. I don't know if I'll hold it through. Right now it's kind of swinging around. It was down like 20% actually, not 20%, 10%. But it's a pretty big one, so not sure if I'll hold that. And let's see, our Shopify puts of course went down. Everything bounced today. Kind of was expecting a bounce, consolidation, and then another drop. I'm hoping it drops soon enough to where these gain value before the expiration comes. Yeah, we'll see on that. And then HYG, this one's not a big mover, so not sure about that one. I guess we have a month, so that'll give us some time. I probably would like to get more bigger exposure to the downside, as I feel this is probably the beginning of the correction. I just don't know exactly how I want to play it, so if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. SPXS, SPXL, UVXY, VIX, just the SPY, S&P 500, what, you know, like there's any sort of number, QQQQ, QQQS, I don't know. So I do expect probably a little rally tomorrow, maybe fill in this gap, maybe even this one, and then probably set up for, oh, okay, Weeble just crashed. Anyways, yeah, that's what I got for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. We are in the beginning. We're in the final throws. GME is going to hang on. You got to just hold on. It's probably going to keep dropping, just for the short time being, and we will be ready. Thanks, guys. Peace out.